All right, YouTube is up and vibing. But yeah, we have a really clean uptrend today on NQ so far. So I'm looking forward to some longs being shown today. What's up, Robert? Now I can already tell the blue light glasses do make a difference. Like I already feel the difference in my eyes right now. I can feel the pain. But we got 3 more minutes till market opens. Oh, am I muted? Can you hear me? Okay, bad. You guys can hear me. Okay, good. Like, yeah, Lee. I don't know why Lee can't hear me. Should be able to hear me. I don't know why. Maybe restart your app. You fixed it? Bet. That'll be you. Yo, Leewak, you got funded again? W. Where's Icon feeling a pumpy today? I don't know. It'll probably join in a second. How's everyone? Took a long break back in. Welcome back, Pat Miri. What's up, Top K? What's up, Mir? Let's get this started. We got 30 seconds till market opens. TP Tuesday. Hey, I like that. TP Tuesday. Let's see what TP Tuesday is going to give us for today. Okay, give us a nice pumpy. There we go. Exactly what we want to see. Nice. Give us any pullback and we're ready to take some longs. Or a pullback into the green or at SMA and we're ready to take some beautiful longs. Now, this is a massive Drake BGC candle to the upside. Not a BBC, but a BGC. Since we did make a shoot up to the upside look really strong, we might need a little bit of a strong retracement into here. But as some candles develop, we'll see the line start to move up. Diddy candle. Nah, this ain't no Diddy candle, bro. This is a Drake candle. This tiny one up here is the Diddy candle. Okay, I just fought a few hundred off that W. Fought or you mean caught? You mean caught. Caught if you're on the fire. W. I'm going to just leave this out, marked out in case we do get a potential opportunity right here. Gotta be aware of it. Alright, we just tapped in here. If we get a green candle out, that will be our entry on that. If we hit the red SMA, then that's going to like disqualify our trade. Okay, there you go. Not taking that. I want to enter, but I've blown accounts trading news. I mean, this is like market open. Really strong volatility. But you want to be careful if it's an environment that you know you typically don't do good in. What's up, IQ? Had to blow up the toilet. All right. Bro, that's a dumpy on the market. Now you save the dumpy for later so the market can pumpy. Ah, there you go. He took his dumpy if he took his dumpy somewhere else. That's why we dumped pre-market right here. That makes sense. CPI just hit fraud red folder. Okay, so then for the US like news, there wasn't really any news pre-market. Getting my car service right now, but we still on the charts. W. It's the beauty of trading. You can do it anywhere. If you have your strategy, you have your rules, you can do it anywhere. So we broke all the way past the red SMA. What I want to see now, price continue back up. Bruh. Why is it not stopping? Price continue back up. And then retrace back down into the green red SMAs. That'll be around this area. Green candle out, entry, bam, TP Tuesday. All right, that's what you want to see right now. Like, bro, in action, my blue light glasses literally disappeared into thin air. Okay, we're back to the S200 SMA on the 30-second. If you want a bearish play, we're going to have to see price fall below the SMA on the 1 minute, and we have to start seeing this SMA slope down. I'm completely open for a bearish play. I just want to see some continuation. Maybe breaking past these lows down here. Pull back and continue. We do have 10 a.m. news as well. That's something we got to be careful of, so we don't want to get caught up in that. It is red folder, so Jolt's job openings. So you want to be careful. But right now we're in the middle of kind of either direction. We want to wait for a strong move to the upside or the downside before we get a play. So we can first identify that we have clear direction before jumping into a trade. Looks like we want to pick back up. Pretty solid. Heavy selling coming on God Trust. Hey, bro, you're not IQ, bro. You're not a market maker. We lucky Loki, this only server with a market maker. Nah, actually. We can move the market wherever we want. We just gotta tell IQ and make sure he's on a. Make sure we're on good terms with IQ. SMT. Chop day is gonna be. Hey, market has only been open for 8 minutes. Come on. It's not gonna chop today. We're gonna get direction out of nowhere. Watch. Okay, we want a dumpy. Yeah, we got 10 a.m. news again. It'll jump in a minute. Yeah, it's gonna jump in a minute. Bearish news 37.2 candle. It's about to go bullish 50 points, bro. Yeah, we want to see this kind of hold below, maybe even break past these lows, which would be even better. And see the 200 SMA start sloping down and price underneath the SMA on the 1 minute. I don't really care where we are on the 5 minute. It doesn't have too much significance, but I'd mostly want it to be under the SMA on the 1 minute, and I'd want it to be under the SMA on the 30-second, and the SMA on the 30-second to slope down the 200. Matt, new market maker. Bro, Matt's trying to take IQ's position. Full pour shorts. Okay, you guys are all saying full pour shorts. You know what? Here. Full pour shorts, huh? Okay. Shorts. Stop loss. I'll put it up here. Shorts TP, it's going to be all down here. So you guys think you're all of a sudden the best trader in the world. You're telling me full pour shorts, okay? We're full porting shorts. I dare to full. Bro wants me to get banned on prop firms, bro. Oh, yeah, so much about full pour shorts. So much about full pour shorts. Hey, you see how shit trading view is? That shit literally went like double my drawdown until it finally exited me out for my trade. How much did we lose on that trade? Okay, we only lost 1,300. Hopefully you guys didn't take that. That was a fake like full pour trade. My setup was at Asia session. I was sleeping all day. Amir liquidated. Yeah, I'm cooked. Wait, what? What happened? Okay, we're pumping back up. See, longs have strength. I thought we were full port. Okay, bro. I like when my setup is coming soon. Don't we all like when our setup is forming? Imagine Derek is the AroGator every night. Okay, bro. Setup is always forming in the swamp for the AroGator. Just need a couple of confirmations. I wish it was me. It can be. It most definitely can be, DJ. Look at the jaws on that boy. Oh my god, bro. Who thought making the alligator? Who thought of making indicator and calling it alligator? Like, actually. Like, what was going through bro's head? Bro was trading waist deep in the swamp and hit TP. Bro had a near-death experience with an alligator and he decided to call his indicator the alligator. We definitely chop it for the first hour. Ask William. Like, I should ask William. It's his alligator. We need to break past this high for a bullish trade. Or a bullish... For us to look for a bullish pullback trade. A break of this high. And a break of this low for bearish. Jolt the market. Jolt the job openings. Better jolt the market. Come on, follow my line. Just move up, move down, and then come back up. Pull back, banger, TP Tuesday. Job opening is going to save us. Amir, you got to sign up, bro. As soon as job opening gets released, you got to go. You got to go hit up the government. Or just go to Mickey D's. As soon as you get that job application, immediate pumpy. Bro, what? Job application. What is that? A stun grenade? Flashbang? The University USA isn't denied. Cooked. We're about to drop to all-time lows. NQ's about to go to 0 now. Come on, bro. We started talking about Amir getting a job application. He started popping. That's how you know Amir really needs to get a job. He needs that job. Yeah, he needs it. Keep it pumping. Amir's going to go feed all the fat Mickey D's customers. All right, it broke that high. If you get a pullback at any point into the green and red SMA, we're going to take that. I'm taking that. Personally. As long as we don't touch the red SMA. So, give me a little juicy pullback and we'll get in. Nah, I could tell. Nah, I need my glasses, bro. After putting my blue light glasses on the past week, taking it off and not wearing it in the mornings has actually made a big difference. You cooked me enough in the off-topic chat. Hey, you guys saw that video? Oh my god, bro. AI generated Amir Uber Eats food delivery. No, that was actually funny. AI is cooked. So much dirt. All right, almost there. Let's get a little more dumpy. Really close to tapping it, but we didn't tap it yet. Okay. Tapped in there. We didn't tap the red SMA. Let's get a green candle closing out. That'll be exactly what we want to look for. All right. If we can get a green candle on this, that'll be my entry. All right. Might get it on this candle. So you got to make sure we're locked in. Or not. Don't touch it. Don't touch the red. Are you a motherfucker? Touch the red SMA. Okay, that's gonna invalidate this pullback for us. I mean, not invalidate, but it makes it a lot lower quality, and I don't want to take that. So we'll have to wait for price to reset, come back up, dumpy, give us a green candle out of the green estimate. That'll be our entry on that. That's funny. Why does my show went through? Hey, yo, what? Are you looking at micro NQ CR7? That could be why. I'm looking at just the regular NQ. I don't know why there's a huge discrepancy there, but I still use it, Lewok, but I want to focus on the RO Gator for a little while. Come on, RO, some of us are micro donate. Now Blake's on a jokester day today. Funny little jokester day. But yeah, Liwak, I want to focus mainly on the Oro Gator for a little while, and then um, we'll bring back both of them because I don't want to use two of them at once and maybe confuse some of you guys and like so you guys are not like just thinking about a bunch of different things at once. Unk is playful today, not grumpy. Yeah, like even like this would be the entry for the low quality trade. It'd be right here. TP would have to be 1-to-1 up here. But we don't want to enter off of the low quality trades. It could work, but I don't want to enter off of it since when it wicks the trades, it's not as profitable. I want to make sure we don't wick the red SMA and we only come inside and then get a green candle closing out. Is that green candle good for momentum strat? What do you mean? Oh, this green candle? It's it's all right. I don't like how we closed below this green SMA though. I wanted that to be kind of my filter for momentum trades for the momentum strat, but um, it's not a bad candle. I would have taken it mainly on the 1 minute because I'd want to see confirmation since the pullback was kind of strong. And yeah, but looks like we're kind of going up. Yeah, we got news in 6 minutes, 5-6 minutes. Looks like that momentum trade is playing out though, off the momentum strat. At least so far. Momentum strat versus Aura, which is goaded. Nah, both are goaded, bruv. Both are goaded. Oh, that's funny. The setup with the Oro Gator is the same as the setup with the momentum strat. It's just momentum strat stop loss here. But yeah, I want to see it break past this high first. We do have news coming up, so we might not get our setup until news happens. So Hunter Strap show up half the time and get 20 bands. Let's see if there's any Mr. Hunter zones today so far. There is, I mean, like maybe a little bit of, I guess maybe a very like not that much consolidation here, but we had a strong move out here. He's here. He's not sleeping. He's not sleeping, guys. He's not sleeping. He's not door dashing food. Okay, yeah, cool. Momentum strat hit TP on that. It's cool to see. Kind of right there. But yeah, hopefully we don't get my setup right at 10 a.m. Can we please not do that? Because right now, if we had no news at 10 a.m. and we come in here and get a green candle, my ass is entering that shit. But we got news at 10 a.m. So hopefully we just chop here a little bit, get news to dump you all the way into here, get a green candle. Bro, work make me want to master trading even more than ever. W. Maybe it's that driving factor that was required to get you to that next level. So Amir thinks we're gonna have bearish news 37 points. Okay, please don't tap the SMA line, please. Not yet. She just got way worse now that we have to come in 2 days a week. That was like one of my main benefits of the job. Is that Amir's brother? Yeah. We got news in 50 seconds, 45 seconds. I wanted to just straight pumpy through the roof. Try to decide if I trade news or not. Okay, bro. What do you mean? Gold is dumping hella. Gold got a nice setup off the... What's it? Oh, actually not yet. NQ, please don't touch. Do not touch. Okay, 10 a.m. perfect. I told you, Amir, it's going to be bullish news. Talk about bearish 35 points. Get the hell out of here. Or often do you request to pay as soon as available, a certain time of the month? As soon as available, Liwak. As soon as I'm able to, out. There's no point in maintaining it. Unless, actually, I would take that back. Unless it's hard for you to build a buffer and you want to maintain it and you've already requested some payouts, then that's a different story. But I would recommend as soon as it's available to take it out. Damn, gold had a massive dumpy off that tap into the alligator, alligator. All right, bet. As soon as I'm ready to enter as soon as we tap in between the green and red SMA. As soon as that bad boy goes in there. No, sorry. Not a bad boy. Good boy. As soon as that good boy, little good boy, taps into the green SMA, I'm happy to get in. Yeah, Apex's buffer anyways makes it so, like, you do have a big enough wiggle room. So you don't just withdraw and you're, like, right at drawdown. So they kind of enforce that rule. And it also helps a little bit because a lot of traders, they take out a lot or they're really close to their initial balance, and then they take a payout, and then they're really close to that and they blow it. But the minimum buffer kind of helps, like, have a set in stone rule to prevent you from that. That way it's, like, a little easier to scale too. Blake, what time do you have to like leave the house to go to work? 8 a.m. You finish at like what, 4 p.m.? You can't trade in between? 6 p.m. Yeah, you just gotta work around the schedule. For now, at least. Kind of find a time window to trade outside of that. Even though it might be not the as optimal, but you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, a little bit of a dumpy. Okay. If your fast eval is the drawdown automatically 2.5k lower than 50k, or does it start 50k until your first trade? Wait, what do you mean? Whenever you pass your eval A and you get your funded account, it resets back to original balance, so zero balance, start at 50k, and your drawdown is at 2.5k lower than the original balance, so at 47.5. But we need a slight more tap into there. We didn't tap it quite yet. I want it to dumpy a teeny tiny bit more. Come on. Tiny bit more dumpy, please. Oh, okay, very good. Very good. Does that mean we're only going to see Blake on Monday and Friday? Maybe Thursday? Oh, man. That's unfortunate. That's going to be annoying. Nah. God's plan, bro. He got some cooking up for you. Lack of stress or things I can't control. Nah, literally, bro. This is literally the trader mindset. Market just ignore my last confirmations. Okay, come on. Tap in there, baby. You know you want to tap. You know you want to. There you go. Not yet. Oh, you tap in there. Okay. If this candle is the candle that gives me an entry, I'm entering. Okay? If this candle gives me the entry, I'm entering. It looks like it could. Alright, I'm in. Stop loss at the lowest point of that candle. Are you getting stopped out? I was stopped out on that one. Tiny stop out. Very, very small trade. Very small, actually. Only 5 points. The RR on that was crazy. Look at 1 minute. I mean, I don't really look at the 1 minute on this trade. You don't need to worry about the 1 minute. This trade was very, very small. I'm too sure when the market broke the break of structure line. Yeah, it happens, bro. It was a very small stop loss. I'm happy with the loss. Nothing crazy major. RR was actually really good on this trade. If this hits this one hit TP, that would have made a good return back, which you do see a lot of the times. Damn, we're just falling. IQ, I said long, not short. Why'd you press the sell button on accident, bruh? IQ just decided to press the sell button for some reason. Bro was not like me. Entering in 30 seconds. Yeah, I'm still open for a bullish trade. We just need to see this bad boy rally back up here. What is bro cooking? Rita versus the AroGator. Who's gonna cook? Who's gonna cook who? This is what we want to see, though, for another setup. We had a really, really small loss on this one. I don't think we lost too much. We're slowly pumping back up a little bit, though. Where'd you get the AroGator idea from? Like the name? The name was by Blake. The strat? The strat, I literally just looked up like trend following filters because I wanted to make my momentum strategy more mechanical. So I was trying to find different ways that I can filter it so we can make the pullback identification more mechanical or the momentum candle more mechanical. And I came across the Williams alligator strategy, and I'm like, okay, this is pretty similar to my strategy. It incorporates 200 SMA to identify the trend. It incorporates a pullback continuation. I'm like, okay, it's pretty similar, but I just use momentum candles. Maybe this can be a more mechanical version. I looked at ways to see how to implement it, and I really liked how the strategy looked and how simple it was. And it was like a mechanical variation of my strategy. And I was like, okay, this is pretty sick. And then I tested it, I refined it based on the trading session that I'm trading in and the time it's optimal in and the days it's optimal in. And I found it to work really, really well in the recent price action. What are you saying for the AroGator? Dax, go to the trading chat and look at the pin tab. All the settings for it are there. But yeah, so Liwak, I ended up making a different variation. Win rate is around 60% with an average risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. So it's pretty similar because it's like the similar strategy. And sometimes the trades even align. But what's it called? But there's small variations to it. It's just a more mechanical version, you could say, of my strategy. Rita, you're in shorts? Oh, okay. You got filled now, didn't you? Yeah, bro. Hope it prints for your Rita. Even though it's against every like our strategy, but you know your strategy is different. That's the thing. Like, if you guys ever see other traders like taking a different trade that doesn't align with your strategy, it doesn't mean they're wrong, and it doesn't mean you're right. It's just you're applying your strategy and what your strategy is telling you, and they're applying what their strategy is telling you. You just got to make sure you follow what your strategy is telling you. That's it. If you follow what your strategy tells you to, then that's all that matters. Not what someone else tells you. Like if someone says, but there's a inverse fair value gap down here that you missed in the fair value gap, so you're gonna lose your trade there. You're like, bro. You entered on sim. Well, you can enter. You have a better entry now, don't you? You probably have a better entry now. Imagine it just dumps to your TP. Reversal Rita. Let's see it happen. If you print on this trade, I'm changing your name to Reversal Rita. But I personally, I want to see this. For my strategy, I want to see this go past the swing high and then pull back. Unfortunately, me and Rita are now on the same side, but that's where I wanted to go. Boxing match Rita versus Aro. Use initial balance as an indicator. No, I don't. Isn't initial balance kind of like the orb? Isn't that like the same thing? I'm up today. W DAX. Let's go. Up on the PA. I like to see that. Damn, Rita. It just barely tapped. Just like got close to the stop loss. Initial balance is the first hour. Orb is normally the first 15 minute. Okay, interesting. Yeah, because I don't use initial balance. First 15-minute break. Rita might be cooking. Rita, let's see it cook. I mean, personally, I want to see a win, but I also want to get a W trade, which is going to be opposite of where you want it to go. So, you know, I'm not going to say anything. My heart is bumping. All right, Rita, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Marky wants to kiss my stop loss and go without me is crazy. No, but I want to see this for longs. For me personally, longs, since we're in the trend with my 200 SMA uptrending as well. For me, I like longs better. That's my strategy though. Again, if your strategy tells you a different story, that's your strategy. How you guys entering is kind of choppy. I mean, depends. Some strategies, like their entry is like at these points, and then they predict the trend. Stop filled. Hey, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. It is what it is. Don't forget, manage your risk. W. You didn't bleed it, extend your stop loss. You didn't enter back in heavier. W. Valid loss. If it followed all the rules, that's all that matters. W just hit. WTS. We want to see a little bit of a continuation if we want to. Do you have similar strategies? Not quite. I don't trade like the same strategies there. No. We have different strategies. Printing W. Was on an NQ. You got pullback and continuation. Nah, Dax, you just got hit with the screenshot of doom. You just got hit with the screenshot of doom. I told you. Market can't go to that me. We're just slowly going back and forth, slowly to the upside. We are holding this green estimate, like this Gator, pretty well, though. I'm not going to lie. You'll catch another 5 RR Rita, don't worry. Guys, my TP by 1 point again. By 1 point? Tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. Closing all my trading windows so I don't make any stupid mistakes and just reopen tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. Hey, W, bro. There's no shame in turn it off and going off. No shame. That just shows you can control you can control the situation. But take care, brother. We'll see you tomorrow, man. W awareness though. Facts. Let me just launch up the TikTok live real quick, so we can do some TikTok live as well. We're still looking for a potential opportunity. If we do break these highs, that's what I'm looking for. Let's see. I thought Rita was a girl. Or did you decide on the hard cutoff for the trading window? Not yet. They're all. I have to do more refining, but so far, 6:30 to 10 a.m. is the best. 10 to 11 is okay. It's not the craziest best, and then, what is it? 11 to 12. 11 to 12 is kind of similar. And you get less trades. I think I'm gonna implement 12 p.m. for days when I'm at home. Maybe. Read as a male naming satisfaction. What's the origin of the name? Arabic. Yeah, but Blake, I'm gonna work on the hard cutoff by tonight, so we know exactly the times we're gonna be trading this approach. But yeah, again, I want to see this. But today, for now, we're probably gonna be on till around 11 p.m. Or sorry, not 11 p.m. 11 a.m. And then we'll hop off after that. But I want to see this, for now, push past this swing high right now that we have here to confirm that we want to continue making new highs instead of being in this downtrend. And then we'll look for a pullback and then continuation entry. What's up, Tyler? How you doing, bro? But I'm happy with this first loss. I think Dez, yeah, we took one trade. This tiny loss. We had a pretty good aura on it. I was really happy with the gains, or potential gains, I should say. TP was all the way up here, and we got stopped out. But yeah, generally some of these trades, I've been seeing some higher RRs on it, which means obviously lower win rates. Not gonna win as often. Playing call took a small loss to the trade to upside remarked high retest. Fire. W. What COD you playing? Warzone? It's got to be Warzone. Or you went from 6... Well, I meant in, what's it called? Eastern time. CR7, Eastern time. Anytime I talk about a time, I want Eastern time. Search for days. Search. Yeah, you're right. Search is also good. I like Search. Either play Search or Warzone. Pre-market. HOI4? What's HOI4? DAX, what? Why? Hunter, you got any setups yet? I know you said this blows. You got any? I'm guessing you got no setups yet. I don't see any setups either on the 1 minute. I'm not gonna lie. There isn't really. I mean, there was this like. Nah, there wasn't even a zone anywhere. Oh, from 2 years ago? Jesus Christ. I gotta invite him here now. Invite. I don't think I sent any invites. But welcome in, Ben. Hunter been cooking yesterday. Yeah, Hunter cooked the charts yesterday. Off of two beautiful supply and demand continuation trades. Don't know yet. What's happened to Marcus, man? Nothing's working. I mean, you gotta just apply your strategy, Tedis. Apply your strategy. And if you don't know if your strategy works or not, you gotta test your strategy. And if you don't know how to test that, you should go watch my YouTube video that'll break down how to properly test. It worked earlier today, but was sleeping. I mean, if it's not in your trading window, if that trade didn't happen in your trading window, then it's fine. There's nothing to worry about. Now, W breakdown. I saw the breakdown, Hunter. It was fire. Most streams I noticed selling indices, but it's all buys right now. Yeah, I like the trend that we have right now. We're above the 200 SMA. We're uptrending in terms of price action. 200 SMA is also sloping up on pretty much all the time frames, which is really good. that gives me full confirmation for uptrend, because that's my main way of identifying the trend, right? Looking at the 200 SMA, what is it doing? What direction is it sloping in? That's gonna be this blue line all the way at the bottom right here, and where is price in relation to it? I would say, Ben, there is bad price action, but all bad price action is an environment that you shouldn't be trading in. And if you're trading in bad price action, that's a sign that you need to modify your strategy to know the right market conditions you need to be trading in. I broke 1,000 from my phone to 2,000 away from passing. Figured out it was all mental game. 20 funded later. It was always my mental game. Hey, math. At least as long as you're learning, that's all that matters. Just make sure you're learning and adjusting exactly. But make sure you're learning, understanding your flaws, journaling. It's gonna help you so much. Look at those wicks too below. Market conditions adjusting. Yeah, exactly. The conditions aren't always going to be the same. Like right now, I wouldn't want to take any pullback continuation plays because we're just chopping right now. The fact that I've set rules for my context is what allows me to trade in just pure trending environments. And that's what every strategy should do. Add those rules to make it so they trade in the pure A+ price action condition. Or you plan to spoil your kid with generational wealth? Not really. Not spoil. I'll allow them to live a life where they don't have to like worry about money, but not spoil. I would want to grow them in a way so they understand the value of money and don't become like a rich kid, like relying on daddy's money. Like, you know, that kid in high school that like everyone was like, oh, he's daddy's money. He doesn't do shit. He's daddy's money. He just like, yo, what microphone and webcam you got? I don't have a webcam. My webcam is a Sony ZV-E10 camera, and I have a I forgot what this is. I got this a while ago. This is I think it was like Fifine K something. I don't know. It was on Amazon. Spoiler batch daddy's murder the worst. 100%. I do not want my kid being like that. So I gotta learn like the parenting for that. I'm done for today. Up 350. See you tomorrow. Take care, Dax. See you tomorrow, brother. Good shit. Oh, GPUSD long. Have a look. Let me see. Okay. GBP USD. Oh, I'm on futures. Oops. You got a kid? No, I don't have a kid on the way. No. Looks good. Damn, we're getting good movement on the 30-second chart. I'm not gonna lie. On this, I don't like. We are switching the trend a little bit though, which is something to note. A pullback in between into the green or red SMAs would look nice. So, yeah, we're getting some. Oops. Some strength to the upside. Reversal Rita. Yeah. Use ICT concepts? No, I don't, Anthony. I use purely my momentum concepts and my trend following continuation concepts. And I use the Williams alligator as well, which is this green. All it is the green or red SMAs. I trade a very stupid, simple way of playing in the direction of the trend. That's all I do. Yeah, we're slowly moving down a little bit. I'm open to a bearish play as well, but we gotta have a lot more move down for a bearish play. Don't know if we'll get any of that. So I'm leaning towards bullish. I want to see more so of us breaking the swing high and then pulling back and then continuation after here. If we do chop up though a little bit here, we might hop off early because this is just very, very low volatility. We need a decent move up to continue back to the upside. To explain how to trade, explaining how to trade, I can't just explain to you in a few words. Depends. Are you brand new? Is there a certain topic about trading you don't understand? You just don't know how the whole trading game works? Teach me how to Dougie. Count up for W. Let's go. On to funded. But what part, Justin? Let me know. I'll explain it. Hold on, y'all, guys. Give me 2 seconds. I'm going to get my tea real quick. All right, sipping on that morning tea now. Actually, no, it's going to be really hot. I'm not going to sip on it. That's hot. Call me crazy, but Max on Tossa, fuck. Now you're thinking the right way. Guys, have you noticed that the stream sometimes just ends with error for a sec, but still can hear? Wait, what? Wait, Des, what? The Discord or the YouTube, Des? What's up, Saf? Saf, I started drinking my tea and I was about to sip on it and I started thinking of you. You reminded me of you. I was about to slurp that, bro. It's so hot. I have to slurp. It's so hot. Sometimes the DC stream just ends and you have to click it again for it to work. Click it again. I don't know. I haven't seen it. But if it happens, let me know. Like, I have to click it again to end it? You mean? Or you have to click it again to, like, join it. It's a Discord bug again? Yeah, probably. I don't know. To join it? Really? Yeah, it's probably a Discord bug. I don't know. I haven't seen it. How long does it take for you to become a profitable day trader? It depends. It depends, Bettina. It could take you anywhere from a few months up to a few years, depending on if you have the right guidance, if you have the right education, if you follow the right mentor. All of those things play a role. Also, where you're starting from, how quick you're able to pick up on topics and concepts. That all plays a role in how quick you're able to become profitable. Some people in my community have gone profitable within a few months. Some people a few years. What's the munch saying? Hey, that looks fire. Yo. Nah, bro, I'm on a calorie deficit. I can't be looking at that. Nah, facts, IQ. I literally just like said that, bro. Those look like potatoes in there. Is that chicken or potatoes? Chicken and eggs. Is there a difference between options and futures trading? Yeah, there actually is a difference. What's up, Ryan? There actually is a difference. So the biggest difference between futures and options is the fact that futures has no Greeks and options has a lot of Greeks. If you're familiar with options, then you can imagine futures as trading, but without the Greeks. No theta decay, no strike pricing as well, no implied volatility, none of that. Just straight buying and selling. And if you think price is going to go up, you can close your trade out to secure profit, or you can close your trade out to secure a loss if it goes against you. And you're not going to lose money on your position as time goes by because there's no time decay either. Or how's your tea? Okay, like, why are you trying to be different? Like, why are you putting quotes around tea? Like, why? Like, what's your point? Like, what do you mean by that? You can make... Join mine. Daryl, you made it? Oh, yeah, boys, if you guys have Clash, we're made a clan. Alright, let me join the clan. Alright, if you guys are not in there, join up. The tag is sent in there when you said to go full time. I went full time. Um, I would say approximately like 6 months ago. 6 months ago is when I started going full time. When this became the only source of like income that I have, or not only but main source of income, and then I dropped pretty much like everything else I was working on. Nuclear, I'll kick everyone and leave. Oh, actually, what do you do for the... Hold on, wait. There's some chats here as well. Ryan said, bro, how do you stay focused and not distracted by love? Because, like, what is there to be distracted about? I've already been through the... I haven't really experienced like crazy. I'm not that old, but, like, I just know not to worry about it. There's nothing to get distracted for. I've been in a relationship in the past, like, a serious relationship. Learned some lessons after, like, breaking up. So there's like I kind of learned the lessons I don't get distracted by because I know what comes with it. I know the work it takes. I know the consequences. I know it's a process and a whole different like game on its own that you have to put time into. So I know like if I want to put effort into that, I can't like I gotta go all in or I can't like be half-assing it. We're all talking about his love life. Was good. Hey, how come it says you're leader? That's not fair. you grinker.
Listen, I want to post on my story.
I don't know if you should post on your story. Post it on your Discord first. Make sure everyone joins and then post on your story. Because in case, like...
I already did. Everyone on my Discord already joined.
Alright, guys.
Load the trophies like 5,000 for some bots.
Yeah, nah, you literally just crossed 6,000 and you put the minimum at 6,000. I saw that. Wait, required trophy 7,500?
I was literally telling them, like, bro, like, how are you at 5,000? I think that's something last weekend, bro. I'm already at 6.
Too cute, guys. Okay, Mosh. What the hell, bro? Somebody, man, this guy.
Someone get this guy checked out, bro.
You gotta find. Oh yeah, 100% Ryan. That's what the goal is.
Hey, what's your day today? Hey, looking like any trades?
Literally one small ass loss. It was a crazy R on it though. It's 1 to 4.
Guess what I did?
W.
$8,000 loss.
Oh, dog. I probably lost less because this is a super small, like 5-point stop loss.
I took an $800 loss on 10 accounts.
8,000 each or 8,000 total? Total, right?
8,000 total.
Okay.
Each dog, my account would be gone.
No, yeah, literally. Wait. Oh yeah. By the way, guys, DC, join up in there. How do I invite or what's the thing? Clan tag.
It's just the thing.
I'm gonna send the clan tag again. So join up, guys, before it gets flooded.
I'm about to post on my main store. Hey, should I make it 8,000 or higher?
No, leave it 7,500.
The worst one in the clan.
You're why are you guys at 9,000 trophies almost? Manny, will you try hard?
Hey, some of those people, bro, Zodic is from my Discord. He literally is sweat, bro. It's so Mel.
Wait, is Manny from your Discord or is this the Manny from mine? I don't know.
That's your Discord.
W Manny. Oh, I see, Manny. Anyone who joined after me was pretty much thing.
Yeah.
Only
Poppy, King Cobra, MWWK, Mel's, and Zodic are from mine. Should I make the minimum 8,000 or no?
nah, leave it 7,500. I feel like that's too high though.
Ours, you don't know these fools, bro. They're fucking slats.
You trade today? Yeah, we got one setup so far. Why not? It was a tiny loss right here. But I'm still waiting for another setup if we do break past the swing high. Until 11 a.m. though. If we pass 11 a.m. Eastern, then I'm not going to look for it. Okay, Hunter. Pause. Nah, Manny is first place, bro. What's the Clash of Clans clan? I don't know. I don't play Clash. Daryl plays Clash though.
Nah, I'm not making. No, my Clash of Clans clan is OP. I'm not leaving it, bro. It's a bunch of max talent 14s. I'm not leaving that thing. They literally do all the work for me. I just sit there and collect the loot. Dog, Clash of Clans, I'm slut. I got one panel 14, one panel max panel 13. I just made 14. What's the?
This is giving me all right, buddy.
Ebola. Oh my god. 70 people voted Clash Royale is better than Clash of Clans. 65 people said Clash of Clans better than.
Bro, Clash Royale is better than Clash of Clans.
Bro, we got 74 people on my story that play Clash already. Dog, it's gonna flood like this.
For some reason, Oro can never finish the things I type. Buddy is scared to get banned on TikTok. Bro, I literally won away. It's under my account. It says account warning, bro. I can't. I literally have to make sure I don't.
Are you on TikTok right now?
Yes. Where the shades are. Thor, I was trying to find the shades this morning, the blue eye glasses, but I literally couldn't find it. I don't know where it is.
Those are fake. They're placebo.
Bro, Daryl, ever since I didn't wear it this morning, I've been wearing it over the past like week and a half. I didn't wear it this morning. Like my eyes have been hurting the whole day. Like I don't care if it's placebo or not. It literally helps. Literally helps. Got cooked for $2. Hey, I mean, DJ, you have an extremely tight stop loss. Is bound to happen sometimes. You're going to see it hit your stop loss and go to your TP a few times.
Auto blue.
I wouldn't be surprised. But you got to understand, when that goes to your TP, you're making up for 15 losses. 10 to 15 losses.
15 RR.
I don't know.
DJ, why the hell is that your RR?
I mean,
Shit I see on TikTok. God
you
dang.
look mad good, though. All right. All right. Okay, Thor. Pause. Let's keep it trading friendly, please. 9.5. That's still crazy. I don't even remember the last time I took a over 6 hour trade.
Stick to 1-1 and 1-2, bro.
I wish you guys would run. Okay, Hunter, dog. Why? What is wrong with you?
Don't you gotta pay on forgot ag.
Nah, actually.
Small stops, don't worry. Dog, it's not small stops, don't worry. It's the fact that your win rate's gonna be absolutely terrible.
I mean,
Your win rate's gonna be like 50%.
bro, that's fine. It's just harder. It's just like if you can handle it.
But if you can handle it psychologically, sure. But personally, I can take 15 trades in a row.
Because you got to realize, DJ, you're going to go through losing streaks for a very long period of time.
Way more often.
Like, but, like, the win is going to obviously make it back, of course. But that's just a psychological factor. Can you go through many, many losses just for that winner to come? I'm trying so hard to get you. Okay, yeah. What is wrong with you? Bro wants me to get cooked. Actually.
Oh my gosh. Like, I saw a video of this husband carrying his wife on his shoulders. He falls backwards. Her head goes straight into the concrete.
Oh my God.
That was horrendous.
I mean, if it's 40 losses in a row. Untrue. Right? 40? Yeah, it is 40. You're right. So if you can withstand that. I mean, I don't know. Once it. What losing streak? I think you can see, like.
Emotes.
Yeah, you can see easily 20 losing streak, 20 trade losing streaks. Probably more. What?
Oh, why are they spamming emotes?
Where? Oh, yeah. What the hell?
Bro, I want the ice goblin. Like the
It's not they, bro. It's this Blaze Blaze Jamin. I don't know who that is.
How are you gonna hold the tray when you're up like one? I can't join, they can't make it public. Dog, you don't get the trophies then. That's why. Bro, if you got the trophies, you can join.
Wait, how's there people that under six? How's there people under 6K in here?
I let a couple people from my Discord join.
Okay, here, no, leave it to like 6,000 right now, and then when you post on your story, put it to 7,500. Just leave it at like, bro.
There's no way so, okay. Okay, Madge, how many are you at?
Maj, how many trophies you have?
Dog, you can't be below 6, dog. Come on.
Wait, how many trophies do you have, Maj?
Below 6, grind up, bro. Come on.
Well, negative 300 now. I'm negative 12 today's chop city. Yeah, we have a little low volatility right now. We did kind of break past this high, which is nice to see.
You're at 2K.
All right, Maj, you gotta work your way up. Come on,
We're not making that.
get to 5K, and I'll get you an invite.
That my grandma's at 5K.
Get okay, bro. Get to 5K, I'll get you in.
No.
Dez, bro, you're don't say it, Daryl. Don't say it. Do not say it. Now, what's up with y'all? Why y'all trying to bait me into getting cooked? Nah, I'm about to make this Discord $100 a month.
Hey, why does Leo have my profile pic?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why he has your profile picture.
Dog, what the hell? Why do you have a profile pic?
Zabuza has 7K. Zabuza join, bro.
Okay, who's joined? Leo, what the hell?
Here, hold up. I'm gonna send y'all the link real quick.
Guys, when you're in a trade, have your take profit there, your stop loss, and walk away. Don't care.
Nope. Adjust it. Make sure you extend your stop loss. Make sure you extend your dollar cost average.
Enter trade and started flashing. No, I literally did that. I was 1v1ing one of my members in the Discord, and I took an $8,000 loss while I beat him in Clash. It was hilarious. I beat him, but I lost.
Enter trade and start a clash game. Alright guys, I sent a link in the off-topic chat. You guys can click that link. It should allow you to join the clan. In the off-topic chat for the server.
I think everyone that joined.
I'll send the link.
Yeah, people are joining up now.
Let me send the link in this chat too, so people who, if you guys are on your phone, it's easier to find it.
Are you still looking at take a trade or not?
Yeah, but I just don't like the volatility. If we pass 11 a.m., I won't take it.
I missed my NQ trade today.
Or it's the thing. So if it passes 11 a.m., I might just hop off. But we'll see. Still got like another 5 minutes. Okay, Hunter, what? You can't leak that, bro. It's just for you.
You like cubes? That's crazy.
Because I like you and I don't got to join. Wanted to join your Discord.
Alright, I'm making it. Okay, I'm making the trophies higher now.
Slightly is crazy.
Alright, I'm making it 8.5k.
8, bro. No one's 8, bro. 8.5K is not easy to get.
Oro, look at who's in it already. There's 2 people in the 8,000s.
Bro, it's fine. Leave it at like.
Hey, I posted on my story.
Daryl paid $1,000 for his account on eBay. Huh?
Oro, look how people replied to how many trophies you have.
Bro, people will say whatever, bro. They're capping.
This guy said, listen, 6,600,
Queer.
7,600, 7,400, 8,800, 6k, 6.7k, 9k easy, a rate of 14.
No, Daryl is D1 pay to win player, bro. He literally this guy has like level 14 Mega Knight at like a level 10 account. Level 10 like Crown Tower.
Pay to win for the way, bro. Come on. You gotta pay to win.
No, it's actually crazy. I remember playing younger. I'd worry about like buying gems for like $6. Like now it's like, bro, you just buy whatever you want. You just buy. You're like, oh, Evo, buy. Evo, Mega Knight, buy.
Hey, I'm DMing people that have 8,000 and this is really fun.
Hey, we got really close to a potential opportunity though. Let me see how this goes though. If it does dip in here, your boy entering that. Daryl's gonna be here for a trade with the team.
Hey, I'm watching that.
Bro's gonna watch a trade live.
Hey, I'm gonna put 8.5k.
Bro, no, leave it at like 7.
Bro, we got 1 and 9,000.
No, leave it at like, bro, leave it at 5. Leave it at 5.
8,800. We got another one at 8,000. We got another one at thing 9,000.
Bro,
5 people.
leave it at 5. Leave it at 5K.
I'm not. Bro, 5k is disgusting.
Dog, we need people in here first.
Why is Lick? Who is this guy? 1,000 trophies?
How did they join? What?
Doug, get out of here. What do you mean 1,000? Doug, you just download the app. What? How the heck I get in? They don't pay $1,000 for the challenge.
I have 0, never played this shit.
No,
6.5. You saying split at 6.5? Nah, that's crazy. This was so close to getting our entry.
Hey, who's Leo Louis? 5,000 grind?
Rip lick.
Why you kick me? Brother, you grind.
CMO, you're at 1,000 trophies. Come on. Get to like, bro. CMO, get to 5K. You can get to 5K. You can get to 5K in a few weeks. Get there, I'll add you. I'll bring you in there.
Like, I got the 5k in 2 days.
If Daryl's dumbass can get to 5K,
Bro, I got 2k. Yeah, how so confused. Oh, there's an old guy. His name is Ren in my Discord. He's a homie, bro. He's like, I don't understand what you're talking about. I'm like, bro.
That's funny. Put me in. I got Mir. Come on, 5K minimum. If you guys are in here, you in your low trophies, and you dedicate it and get the 5K, I'll bring you in.
We have to do 6K. We're at 6K.
Hold on, Zabuza. I'll friendly battle you real quick.
Hey, it's actually so sick. I fuck with this so heavy.
No, it's actually fire.
Floor, that goes hard. Hey, people are swiping up. Please make a clan, Daryl. Please make a clan. Yo, what?
Bro, imagine we get set up mid trade. I mean, oh, that'll be prediction. That'll be prediction. Oh, you're more trophies than me. Pekka? Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, it's doing some damage.
Or lock in, bro.
Are you spectating?
Hey, DJ, what the hell is that? How do you have that screenshot, bro? That was such a long time ago, bro. That was such a while ago. Daryl, Clans or Clash Royale? Oh, I got both, bro.
Dog.
What happened to be a tank?
Nice ice spirit.
I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw this. Oh my god, we got more replies. 9K, 9K, 9K. Bro, there's 7 people at 9K. There's no way. Okay, I don't think required trophies set at 8.5K as well as inventory.
Bro, how are you already Psycho Pekka?
Did I just start a clan war accidentally? What did I do? Like, why are we in a clan war? How do I leave?
You can't stop it. Oh shit. Nice zap, buddy. Dog, this guy just Pekka maxing, bro.
GRQUVOQ.
Oh yeah. There we go. There we go, baby. There you go. Ice Spirit. Put in that work. Put it. Bruh. Now we just
Okay,
cycle.
let's see how many people join.
Cycle max.
Oh, so we started Clash
That's
Royale.
gonna be tower, baby.
Hunter, we did
Almost. No,
Hunter.
not yet.
Hey,
Ah. Ah, GG. GG. And we're about to get set up. Nice. 7,500 trophies. Get destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Nah, destroyed. 2.6 hog on top, bro. Always on that. Okay, DJ, pause. Actually, that's Daryl. He's on. He likes both versions of that. I like always counter my shit.
Please make a clan. I'm like, how many trophies you at? He's like 4K. I just started. Please make an exception.
Just started. Who's that, from your Discord or for like your story?
Oh, Instagram. Hilarious.
Wait, Daryl, how come your name has like a yellow like shine? What is that? Is that you have? Oh, you have the pass. That's why.
Bro, Clash Royale, brother.
What does the pass even have?
The RO.
I can't. I have to buy gems. I can just buy gems. I forgot.
How many gems is it?
I have no idea. I think it's like 500. Dog, we're just edging my like setup, bro.
Really?
We're like, I needed to go between this green and red SMA, and then the candle closing out of the green SMA, and that's my entry.
For long?
Yeah, but it just gets so close to touching it. Fireball pissed me off, bro. Fireball just like one taps that. What is that character? No, with the long like bow and arrow, whatever that is. Magic archer, yeah. Just fireballs, it's gone. My favorite, you just kill him, bro. I'm so close to. Okay, I can't finish the sentence. I'm scared to say it. I don't want to finish the sentence.
How do I reply to this? Hey brother, I'm from Ethiopia, Africa, and I want to become a day trader and make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Please help. What the hell do I say?
Wait, Adrian says I can't join. I got 8.1k. How?
Okay, I'll make it 8K.
Dog, what is that right now? Why is it at 8.5? No one's joining.
Yeah, one person joined.
Dog, I'm telling you, leave it at like 7.
Brother. Alright,
Hunter, how are you in here?
people have 9,000, 8.5K, 9K, 9K, 9K,
That's insane.
8.8.
There's not a single person 9k in here, bro. What do you mean?
Seven people on my story said they have 9K.
Dog, anyone can say any number. Oh, okay, we tapped in. Okay, never mind. We hit the red line. We hit the red SMA. When it hit the red SMA, it validates. Okay, it's 1v1 somebody. Oh, shit. And why am I going against Manny? I'm cooked. All right. That's gonna connect. Dog, why do you have P.E.K.K.A. and Boss Bandit in the same deck? Oh, shit. Dog, I hate Boss Bandit. It's like my worst counter. All right, Daryl died.
I've been talking this whole time that I was on mute on accident.
Why'd your camera disappear?
I was saying I wanna share your screen so people can see.
Oh. Oh my god, I just avoided that Tesla like a G. No. Dog, what? How did that hit? How did that reach? That's literally like hacks.
Like, how do I get rid of Discord overlay on OBS? That's so annoying.
Oh my god, you have Fire Spirit Evo? Oh my god, are you kidding me? Nah, Manny is too try hard. There's a reason this guy's at 8,000 trophies.
That's actually disgusting. Oh my god, he has Evo Firecracker RL.
Yeah, just
Well,
eats.
Loki, switch out your musketeers for Evo Firecracker.
I don't know.
And then get rid of
Change location or something. Or I'll play you. Wait.
Here, I got you guys.
Agent, where you still can't join? Location North America? Does that mean only North America? No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, that means only North American join.
Wait, what? So if you change the location, we can change it back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Try joining.
Here you go.
Adrian, try joining.
No, everyone look, you snuck out trail now.
Try joining. Okay, stop spamming shit. Okay, try joining. Did it work?
Insane.
I changed to Belgium.
Don't change to Belgium.
Why?
Dog, change it to all.
Oh, there's all button? Where?
Bro, don't put only Belgium. Bro.
Where's all? There's no all.
Okay, hurry up and join. Hurry up and join. Did it work?
Agent, did it work? Let me send the invite again.
Bro, hurry up. It can't be Belgium for that long.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, bro.
I pressed it. I sent it again. New link. Adrian. Join up.
Bro, hurry up. Location Belgium is wild, bro. Like, come on.
Is it working? It's not working? What the heck going on?
This guy's like, alright, I'm quitting trading.
Who said that?
This guy's like, I want to join, but I only have 7k trophies.
Dog. This clan is restricted to a certain account type. Please join a family-friendly clan designed to guarantee safe experience for everyone. Dog, is it because your account's not 18 and plus?
Dog, you're not 18 and plus, are you, huh?
Oh my god.
Dog, you were honest about your age?
Why did you tell him? Why did you tell him you're under? Okay, Derek, how do you make it family friendly, bro?
No, you don't, bro. This shit is not.
No, put it and then change it back.
Oh my god! We got Ride Dog. Holy shit, 9,000 trophies.
Oh my god. Hey, Ride Dog and Manny are 1v1ing. Adrian, bro, come on, bro. Change it. Or actually, yeah, I don't know how we could change it. But my 13, or my 3. Target on 50 on mine. Yeah, you're good. That's fine. Just make sure you don't take another trade because you're past. You hit the eval already, the TP. Oh my god, Royal Giant Lumberjack? Or not Royal Giant. Electro Giant, whatever that's called. Oh my god. Man, he's getting railed. Wait, Dara, how'd you add that on your PC like that?
Dog, it's a
Yeah, Adrian, what's up? But how do you have Google Play Store, bro?
Where's downloaded?
There's no Google Play Store.
Bro, go on Google and download it.
Okay, wait. No, Firecracker Evo is actually like too OP.
I need it, bro. I need to get to level 31, bro.
This is interesting. These decks I've like never seen before.
Alright, we should have the clan for this.
But why do I hear a helicopter above my house?
Bro, no guru on earth has ever made a clash in the clan. I promise you that. Right Dog and Manny are fighting. Oh my gosh. This is the most insane move room. Still, it's not fighting.
No, this is insane. I've never seen these decks. Ewiz, or not Ewiz, E Giant. Like I don't even know what it's called. Oh, man with the dub.
Right Dog, I wouldn't allow that. Croissant joined the clan. I got liquidated.
Liquidated is crazy.
Oro,
Yeah.
any grades for you?
Not yet. There's probably not gonna be anything.
No.
25. I'm sorry. Trying to show win rate. Should increase my lot. You have a high win rate, so I would say so. I mean, I don't know how the draw depends on the drawdown room on the 10K. Daryl, you're gonna get destroyed.
I'm excited.
Doomy is crazy.
Doobie is crazy. Manny, bro,
Or go look at my pure deck. What?
I serve him. Okay. Oro, watch my screen.
Yeah.
I yawning at me, I'm cooked. See, like, level
Damn,
matters.
Hunter, you try hard. Your shit's higher level than mine. Everything.
Manny, you piece of crap.
Oh, this is funny, bro. Not W clan.
Oh my gosh! Why is this pick up so much health? What do you mean he's not dying?
Okay,
Oh,
this
I'm
is
dead. It's reps. It's reps. I'm cooked. I take this shit. Bye bye.
this is what happens when you just pay to win your way to ladder.
Yes, bronze. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. GG's.
Add me, hold up.
Dog. How did my? How did that do?
This is like no, it's not AJ. It is a form of it if you don't know what you're doing. That was the quickest wipe I've ever seen in my life.
There's no such thing as 10K trophy.
Mod, you can go max 9K. But like, yeah, it's okay. Get to 5K will bring you in.
No, bro. That was
If you grind,
wow. That was horrible. That was horrendous.
hold on. Oh my god.
Then you run it back. Croissant? Who the hell is this guy?
No idea.
Like, what the hell?
Okay, that's gonna sneak. Okay, why did you put in front of dragon?
This is the only card I had. Oh my gosh, she's a fucking rail machine, bro.
Minor. Adrian, I did. You're on the lit. I think you added. You added. Dog, how did the guy dash all over there? Nice. Why do you have zap? You should save. You should save arrows for that.
I have arrows at the time.
Nah, there's no way that just demolished your boss bandit. Come play 1v1? Okay, let's go.
Knockback, bitch. These are too sweaty, bro.
Dog, why do you have that guy? Goblinstein. Oh shit. The Dark Goblin putting in work.
Is Ram Rider's absolute shit. Bro, Hog Rider better than Ram Rider, bro. What the hell is this?
Oh my god. Freeze? Bro.
I mean, reeled so hard, it's not even funny, bro.
No, actually.
Oh my gosh. $9,000 trophies. Actually get a life.
That's gonna do some damage.
Look at your deck. Hell nah. Is it bad? Oh my god, Oro, we have 21 members. Oro!
What?
Bro, look at the top members of of the clan now. We're so good. Oro, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people with 9,000 trophies that just joined.
That's actually insane.
9k. 9k trophy. Insane. Oh my gosh, that's actually disgusting.
Oh! There's no way that can go tower.
Goodness.
Are you kidding me? W lock.
Oro?
Huh?
Oh, that's what it's-
What? Got all catch you tomorrow. Take care, Hunter. We'll see you, brother. Bro, how? Yes, okay. Okay. Adrian, you try hard. Now, for 8,000 trophies, you low-key got destroyed. I'm not gonna lie. You getting railed?
I'm not railing him. Who the fuck is this guy? Dog shit. How am I winning? I'm ass. Watch. Bro, I swear, if someone has like a little bit of IQ, like I get railed. So why is he not placing anything? I'm so confused. I'm just spamming shit with no IQ.
Now you're just you're literally just spamming shit. Okay, Daryl. So you want to lose your tower or something?
Fuck, I don't give a crap.
All thoughts on this choppy market? I mean, we're not chopping. We have some pretty good trend. I don't see chop. Dean, how do we chop? I got loaded 3 apex. Got to wreck this chop. I mean, John, you just have to understand the environment of your trading strategy. Like, what is the optimal price action condition and what's not. If you haven't tested your strategy, you don't know what's optimal, then you're not gonna know when to trade. You have to build that experience of knowing like what's good price action and what's bad price action, and then avoiding the bad price action and only trading the good price action. If you see your strategy fails in the bad price action and the choppy price action, why do you still trade in it? Or to get trade today? Yeah, we took one in the morning, but we might actually get one right now as well. We got this one in the morning, but we might actually get one right now if we do tap into this green and red SMA. I'll look for a continuation to the upside. Entry targeting this high. Okay, as soon as we tap into here, we get a green candle closing out. That'll be my sign for an entry. So you guys will see this as well. Okay, we tapped in there. All right. Daryl. Okay, you got it. No, not yet, not yet. No, I ended up... See, okay, this invalidated it because we crossed below the red. I wanted it to not cross below the red for me to have a good entry. Since we did cross below it, that'll make it lower quality. I'm not taking that. We needed to push back up and then come back down and then continue. Alright, I need the June calendar. What do you mean? Let me verse this guy. This guy has an annoying deck, I remember. What? Yeah.
Dog, have you seen the new members of the clan?
No.
Look.
I'm in a match. I'm versing one of the people.
What is a red line SMA?
What?
But you can't lose to this guy. I literally railed him.
It's okay, I'm doing the railing now. Yes, the Williams alligator dished. The Williams alligator, and I have the indicators in the pin tab in the trading chat section. Huh? It's the name of the guy's indicator for like this green and red SMAs. Or shit. That actually might not hit. Oh my god, Musketeer! Okay, that's tower. That's probably gonna be tower. Oh shit. That was low-key not that good. Oh, W! Oh, never mind.
Change your Musketeers out for the evil.
No, it's not that good.
Why? Oh my god. I hate it when you use one.
Oh. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god, that was so close.
We got more people ours. They're on 9,000. There's nowhere.
Oh my god, I put the wrong thing. Why does this guy have two princes on the table? Table is crazy. Why am I saying table? Oh, that's gonna do some damage. Oh, GG's. Persia, any W trades today? We only had one tiny loss for today. We're really close to getting some setups, though. We had this small loss all in the left over here. Literally a 5-point loss. Had a pretty good R, so I was happy with that trade. We followed all the rules for that, but we're close to getting a setup today. But every time we do, it just invalidates the pullback. So we'll have to wait for that. 2 unemployed motherfuckers. Anything but trading is crazy. I'm not TJR, bruh.
No, he actually doesn't trade anymore.
Is this a...
He never trades to begin with.
Donnie, well, I was looking for trades. Every time we do get an opportunity, it ends up just breaking past the red SMA, which is what I don't want to happen. I needed to not touch the red SMA. So trim is crazy. So, yeah, this is what I'm waiting for, but it looks like every time we get it, it just gets invalidated instantly. Huh? Isn't the new strat too restrictive? That's the point. The point is to not restrictive, but to be more systematic, so there's less like discretion involved.
Look at the guy in our clan. Look at his name.
Wait, let me see our clan. Oh my god, why is there some people with 9,000 trophies?
Or, that's what I'm saying.
Why is it? Did you guys like hack your account? Like,
Or look at my screen. Look at this guy's username. Don't say it out loud.
hey, how is this guy already at like the what's it called? What thing? What league? What thing is that? On the path to legend. This guy's challenge. This guy's master 1 already. The league just started. The season just started, bro. New season, new clan. Let's go. Adrian, you already railed me, bro.
Hey.
Oh, pause.
I'm literally D1 donator right now, bro. No, I'm actually D1 donating right now.
Okay, Adrian, I'm gonna use a different deck on you. Actually,
Hey, chat, look at this. Look what I'm eating right now. Bro, this is big bad.
I blew my phone the first day I got it. Emotionally trade recently. My account blew half for it, so I need to get my shit together. Persia, know your strategy, ins and outs, and literally only take the trades aligning with the strategy. Make sure you trust your data. Okay, if you don't have data, there's no way you can trust it. You're obviously gonna take emotional trades and not follow your strategy.
Like, what the hell is clan war in Clash of Clans? I'm so confused. Oh, bro.
Oh, that's some nice damage there, baby.
What's the fast way to level up?
General Discord help me get payouts. Persia, listen to Dean. We're live in here every day giving psychology advice, trading advice, strategy advice.
And then after trading hours, we're playing Clash of Clans.
After
That's
trading
it.
hours, Clash of Clans. Adrian, you're literally about to get cooked by me. 8,000 trophies for what?
Hey, I fuck with the name though. Traders 4. It was hard.
That's a W name.
I'm so confused. Well, Leo, why do you have my profile picture? New member joined. He has 8,700 trophies. What's wrong with these fools, bro?
No, my Fire Spirit Evo.
The guy in my Discord was like, Daryl, let me join. I'm at 4.8. I'm like, dumbass grind. I got to 16 a week.
Okay, that's my tower's gone.
Yo, this is a crazy good deal. Yo, chat, we got crazy deals right here in the legendary offer.
No.
Hey, pay to win time, baby? Or is it time to pay to win?
Dog.
I think it's time to pay to win. Down to 8,000 today. What can $8 do?
No. Okay, that's... Bro, you stupid Dark Goblin, bro.
This guy's like, I got your profile picture because I love you, but I don't have the money for your Discord. That's funny.
No, fuck you, Adrian. I'm not letting you join my clan. I'm not letting you join my
Hey,
clan.
bro. Or look at this insane deal. Look,
What?
look, it's 80 for 8.
Wait, what?
Dragon Knight for 8.
Oh my god.
Look, I'm literally about to buy 200.
Yo, what's up? Where the glasses at? Bro, I don't know. I've been trying to find the glasses all day, but I can't find it for some reason. Don't know where it's at. I literally can't find it. Bro, it's actually good deals. I have all the evils I need, bro. I just need to get better.
Nah, I'm just buying Meg. I'm buying Mega Knight. Pay to win for the win, baby. Yes. Hey, you know you can buy multiple diamond passes at once and save for the next season?
Diamond Pat. Wait, what? You can?
Yeah, it tells you. Wait, what is this? Why did somebody pay $20? The essence I don't want. Oh my god, I put diamond pass in there too. I want
Oh
to
my
put
god.
diamond pass again, dog.
Someone said, Daryl, your deck is bad.
Bro, how good is the deck?
Come again? Okay, last one.
Hey, hey, or look what just came.
What?
Megan, I delivered.
Oh my god.
Go, let's go, baby, let's go. Let's go, baby, let's go. Megan, nice. Alright, let's buy it one more time. Nah, level 15, Megan, I better be crazy.
My god, bro. Megan, I move. Nope.
$50 back. Wild card bundle.
Oh my god. Hogart is stuck. How's that doing damage to my Hog Rider?
Hey, it's wrapped.
Oh shit. I misplaced that. Yeah, place your Goblin Barrel. Or Goblin. Yeah, bullshit. Place it like a good boy.
There, what watches do you have back there? Yeah, I better.
Yep.
First off, we got a Rolex date just.
Meganite. Meganite incoming. Okay. Yeah, as usual. I'm taking that tower like you're a good boy.
I have a rose gold day date with a black gray dial. I think it's an ombre dial. And I have a AP.
Hey, yo, Dark Goblin. What is that? Why is that doing that damage?
I have a. I have this right here. And I have this first watch I ever got with the payout.
Ah, AK for what? AK for what? You suck. AK for what? Yo, just take the trade at 21.
Bro,
Uh,
this is nice.
21,660. Where is that? 21,660.
Look at my screen. This is pay to win.
No, I didn't get. There wasn't any trades for my strategy yet. But wait, 21,660. Yeah, I don't see any trades. There was a momentum candle here to take off of a pullback that worked out pretty nice. But the only trade we had was at market, like towards market open, right here, where we got an entry for a very small trade. Ended up being a very small loss, but that was the only trade we had for the day. You want to order another one? Get me two. I got you.
Look at this pay to win answer sheet right here.
What?
Level
Oh my god, bro. What level?
level
14.
My castle level 9.
Bro, what's Ling Ling?
Oh, what is this?
It means you use elite wild cards to add progress to any level 14 card.
And you can't use regular wild cards.
What's an elite wild? What?
You can't use regular wild cards anymore.
Oh. I have one of those like elite wild card thingies. I don't even know what that is. Oh my god, you're cooked.
How can I pay to win that?
Hold on, I'll be back. Give me 2 seconds. All right, Daryl. What I heard you screaming from my room that you have an Evo, second Evo now.
Yeah, I got the second Evo. No! No! Firecracker! Evo! Yes! Rail it!
That wasn't even the Evo. You dingus.
I don't care. I have it, though, I'm saying.
30 minutes ago at
Freelance
6:09.
course seller, that's hilarious. Freelance course seller, that's funny.
Oh, I see. Okay. Off this. This is a pretty good momentum candle. I wouldn't like it though because this pullback is breaking past this retracement. You see we have this uptrend that we break past these lows and we form a momentum candle. It did work, but this is a lower quality trade since it broke below these lows. I wouldn't take this trade personally. I would look at the 1 minute since we broke past this low and see what the price action is on the 1 minute. And the 1 minute had a little bit better of price action, but still we had a low over here formed that ended up getting broken. You see we kind of did this pull up. We pushed down. We pushed up a little bit more. We broke past this low off these mini like tiny pullbacks. And we got a candle here. This wasn't a momentum candle though. So I wouldn't have entered here. He just sells courses. Daryl freelance. There's free. Daryl, you're a freelance course seller now. Freelance brand scaler, scale brands. SYFM. Okay, bro. Adrian, you're not funny, bro. Doug, why? Who's typing in a different language in here, bro?
Also, they're one of those ones. Alright, bro. I literally launched my mentorship shit like a month ago, bro. Come on. Don't put me in a category with those type of people.
There was a scale brand scaler.
I scale the brands and
There was a free scaler. He scales for free.
Hey, I made that. I didn't realize that actually.
I scale brands for free. Scale brand scales.
I get the markets and I trade them. I sell the markets.
Brand free scale lancing facts.
Oh my god, why is your guy in
Is waiting for a big structure necessary if it closes at below the red line before taking more scalps? Exactly. Mysterious Mass. That's exactly what I need to see. I need to see a break of structure. I guess that's like a better way you could put it. Of the current swing high for me to want to look for another pullback. Basically, it's like a reset. We want to see a continuation and then a pullback. Because if we break past or even touch the red SMA, that makes it so it like invalidates the setup. Hey, I'm supposed to go gym like an hour ago. But I'm playing Clash. We need a Wang Cheng G6. No, I want to get that Wang Cheng. That Wang Cheng's funny.
We can't copy that shit, bro.
No, you can't copy. We got our own get our own Wang Cheng.
Hey, Aro.
What?
I think it is. Oh my god, fire is only level 10?
Only level 10. You tell your level is level 10, bro.
Oh,
Is it
shit.
much lower probability if you don't wait for break structure? I've tested it a little bit and I found it to be slightly lower probability, but I didn't do a lot of testing because immediately I didn't see good results with it. So I just decided to wait for full confirmation of a second break of structure. Because if I didn't wait for break of structure, that means I take a lot of trades. So I just added that confirmation to limit the trades as well. But you can 100% test it. I got only like 10 trades, 15 trades where I didn't wait for break of structure to see if it was valid or not. It ended up being invalid. But you can probably test and see maybe like more in-depth results if you want to purely test it. If you notice that maybe you don't have to wait for break of structure. We're edging 692 liquidity right now. Oh yeah, fuck you. Fuck you in your eye spirit.
Bro, who's Zam Jersey in the Discord? Hey, how's the clan doing so far? Who we got? We got 30 members. They're all 9,000.
Oh my god, why do you have princess? Was that because you're a little princess? You're a little princess?
We got 30 members in here already. Hey, bro, we gotta kick out Lewis for real, bro. 5,000 trophies.
Oh, nice. Just jumped in front. Ah, L-mans, L-mans, L-mans. Dog, who uses Infernal Dragon, bro? Infernal Dragon is like the worst character.
Is it a Clash Royale Discord at night?
Oh,
Just all
Clash Royale
night
teams.
Clash.
Oh no, I well what? I actually put the wrong thing. Why do I not have my shit cycled? Nah, 8,000 trophies for what, Zmajo? 8,000 trophies for what? 8,000 trophies for what? 8,000 trophies for what? 8,000 trophies for what? Nah, I just railed in 8,000 trophies. Seems way more often you win with a 1-to-1 or even if trades are high probability. Yeah, that's why I keep my trades lower probability Mysterious Mask. My average RR is 1 to 1.5 Mysterious Mask. So normally my trades are between 1-to-1 and 1-to-3. Most of them are 1-to-1 and 1-to-2. Sometimes, very rarely, you'll see trades like this go up to like 1-to-4, which was this morning. Obviously, TP is a lot farther than the stop loss. No shit, it's a higher chance of hitting stop loss. But that's the part of using a higher RR on some trades. So I normally target the swing high, but if I do 1-to like sometimes my stop loss can be big, and I want to make sure I have a minimum of 1-to-1. Like if our stop loss is down here, that make it 1.7 RR, which is like totally fine. So average R is like 1.6. You got funded. W Davo. W Davo. Congrats on the funded. Which says better to go for consistent 1-to-1. You could try 1-to-1 RR though, like separately. Like no matter what, simple 1-to-1 RR. I target like liquidity point by doing swing high, you could say. But yeah, you could definitely try it out.
I would love the liquidity.
Nah, I just liquidate someone right now. Oh my god, we actually have like a lot of people in here. I love how me and Daryl are like 25th and 26th on the leaderboard.
Yeah, man, I'm dying over here, bro.
Sometimes I get a sweep just barely and he goes in my direction. Like, you mean you get hit your stop loss hit and then it goes in your direction, or you get like you don't get all your confirmations? Do you pay? No, I don't do quarterly. Although that might be smarter though. Low key, easier to manage.
It's negative 1.5.
But in Apex you can only have max 1.1 to 5. No, it's opposite. 5-to-1. You can have minimum of a 5-to-1. You can't get like a greater like risk to reward than that. Like you can't do 10-to-1.
Positive RR.
The smallest negative R you can have is 5-to-1. I get like a 1-to-3 and he sweeps me. That happens sometimes, Mysterious Mask. Like, you gotta understand it with a higher RR, like even 1-to-3, sometimes you can have trades that hit your stop loss and go to your TP. The thing is, you can't control what happens after the trade. You can only control like when you're getting your trade, is it gonna hit your TP or stop loss? That's all you can track. Anything else after that, it's not part of your strategy. Whether it goes to TP afterwards, that doesn't matter. If you see it consistently does that, then maybe you're missing. You need to add another entry criteria to get you that confirmation. But if it only happens like once in a while or a few times, then that's not something to worry about, because you can't control what happens after you hit your stop loss or you take profit. So just to keep things simple, I like having a lower R on average, because it just makes it easier on your mental, because you see more winners and less string of losers, which is obviously easier to handle psychology wise. So you don't switch up your strategy and whatnot after a string of losers. And it's easier to use with prop firms as well, because you can go on win streaks and get to the payout a lot quicker than regular like higher RR. What's up, Mile? So I would recommend test out a 1-to-1, or like targeting a close TP that's around 1-to-1, max 1-to-2. There, are you on TikTok?
No.
Oh, you're done? Yeah. Anyways, boys, TikTok, I'm gonna wrap it up. I gotta head out, a little bit late for me, but yeah, we were waiting for opportunities. We ended up getting nothing because we waited for the price to break this swing high, and we ended up didn't get that. We only had one small loss today off of off of that early trade, and that's about it, like a 5-point loss. So TikTok, again, we trade live every single morning with the Discord, with the team, Monday through Friday at 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. If you guys want to tune into that, you can. It's 100% free. Join up in the Discord, link in my bio. If you go to the link tree and then the AroTrades Discord community, press on the join button. I think you have to do like 1 or 2 more steps, and it'll allow you to join the Discord community and watch me trade live literally tomorrow morning. So tune into that, watch me trade live, join the community. If you guys also just, sometimes it can be very like frustrating or like depressing even to trade on your own. So join the community, be part of a team, engage with other members, learn from other traders as well, because it's not just me who's profitable in there. There's other traders as well. You can take advantage of their strategies and learn how they trade as well. Take advantage. But join up in there.